Well, the kind of school background I had, college, I was not confident of myself. First thing IIM did was to give me confidence. That helped me to take any decision, any risky decision. So the lesson that I would like to give from my business experience, if you believe in your product, believe in yourself, believe in your team, and never give up. Never give up. So the company was in a very bad situation for 2 years. I did not give up. And that helped me to make the company a global company. I would say we are one of the most diversified Indian multinationals, and that too from Kolkata. We have 4 plants outside India. We employ about 400 foreigners in the company of 18 different nationalities. And we handle them right. Because learning is a lifelong process. So when I met Professor Ravi Mathai in Calcutta, when he came for the chief guest for convocation, when I told him I have not learned, I have not appreciated all the subjects that have been taught to me. I would like to join the college again now. He said, no, whenever you are coming to the western part of the country, come and spend 2-3 days in Ahmedabad. We'll allow you to attend the classes without any charge. So whenever I have to come to Bombay, I have to take a night train, come and attend classes here. I will find out which classes are going on where, and I would attend the classes. So being in touch with the faculty has many advantages. You are in touch with learning. Number 2, some of your stories you can communicate to them, which can be a good case material for the school for teaching to the students. I would like all message to be given to all the alumni, contribute to the development of IIM, either by way of teaching, case contribution or funding. We owe to them. I am today because of IIM Ahmedabad. I wouldn't have been able to do if I had not done Ahmedabad.